I want to give you an updated video on how to make coconut oil. This is not a cold pressed coconut oil, it's just a generic heat pressed coconut oil. So these are my coconuts. I'm going to be using 5 coconuts for this video, and hopefully I get enough out of it. This is my mortar stick. I use it for my small mortar. So this is how to heat your coconut. Now I'm going to pieces this to enable me remove the skin from the shell easily. After piecing the coconut, I'll be left with something like this. So now I need to separate the skin from the coconut husk. This is the coconut husk, this hard part. Now I'll have to separate the skin from the coconut husk. To do that can be done with the help of a knife, maybe something like this, but you really have to be very, very careful while doing this. Instead of cutting your hand, try and lift the coconut up so you avoid making a mess. So after separating this from this, now I'm going to wash this. I'm going to wash this and I'll be right back and show you what's next. So after washing this, I am going to just cut it into little chunks to make it easier for me to grind. After cutting it in bits, I decided I'm going to grind it. I'm going to grind it with this device. This is not sponsored. This thing was given to me. This grinder stroke grater was given to me as a gift on my wedding day. So I want to test the device to know how good it is. I hope it turns out well. This is the milk. It has coagulated. The liquid below is just ordinary water. So I'm going to cut down this down part and let the water escape so that I can have just the milk. Did it. Okay, this is just the milk, so I'm going to fry this on the fire and that was scary, and let the oil come out of this. Keep watching. If it was a normal pot, I'll be scared to leave it this way for it to cook, but this is a non-stick, so even if it starts getting burnt, it won't be that bad. Say yo! As you can see, the oil is slowly separating from the coagulated milk. This is the oil. And this is the milk. See why I said non-stick is better. It takes off everything. So how much you can get from 4 coconuts in. I realize coconuts in other countries have more oil than the coconuts we have here in Nigeria. I don't know why that is, but this is what I could get from this, and hopefully when I pour it into a water bottle or a spray bottle, it would look, you could actually see the real size. So this is the size of what came out of 5 coconuts. So this bottle is about 203 ml, and this is how big the oil is. So you can try this at home and put a comment at this comment section telling me about your result. This method avoids waste. Like, this is the method I use to avoid lots and lots of waste. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, or better still, share with your friends. Do have a lovely day. I love you. Bye.